Hey everybody, it's Mark with Old Soul Farm. Today we're just getting some little odds and ends wrapped up, and I'm going to show you how we moved a shed. So this is our driveway coming down towards the house, and shop's over here, house is over here. We used to have a shed right here where that gravel bar is, and we moved it to over here because this makes more sense for us. So currently we're storing all of our wood and lumber in here, but the floor's all chewed up, so we have to repair that. So we're gonna get that fixed. Quick video update. We got the rotten floor pulled out. We got some of those stringers, the 2x4s pulled out. I'm gonna put down some pressure treated, because when they build these, that's not pressure treated, nor is the front. So this is just holding everything together right now. But I'm gonna put some new pressure treated down. I'm gonna get some 3/4 exterior grade and get everything put back together. And then we're gonna build some lumber storage on each side, so we can get some of this stuff put up. And there you have it. New stringers are down, new floors down. It's nice and solid. We use some of the caulk to go around the area there, and just everywhere there's a seam, just to keep it a little nicer. We're gonna put a couple coats of paint on here just to protect it a little more from the elements whenever the floor is down. But now we have some wood racks, so most of this will get put up there. Then we have a little short stock storage area right here. That'll be nice, and put fishing poles or whatever else we need there. So there it is. The kids just got done organizing all the wood in here. So we have our dimensional stuff there, pressure treated, and then everything else, they organized it by length and width mostly. Did a pretty good job. Now they have a spot for the bikes.